I don't really have many like fanboy moments, but I wanted to tell you about a recent one that I thought was kind of cool. So recently I've been playing Marathon with Azzy, otherwise known as Ezra Reyes on YouTube, and the co-creator of Hex Scatter. At some point, a mutual friend called Hilly, who I'll show here. Hilly does a lot of like planet side artwork and, sci-fi related stuff, who I've been playing Helldivers with. So Marathon with Azzy, Helldivers with Hilly. Hilly grabbed a bunch of the Marathon assets from the Tau Ceti website and put them into a lovely asset library with lovely thumbnails, and then gave it to Azzy and myself. And at first I was like, I've got to work on my own things, but then again the assets look really cool, so maybe I'll try and do something. So that's where recently I did all these renders, and we did a video about that where I talked through like the lighting techniques, because I was using my Afterglow tools for Blender to do these renders. So we got a bunch of the characters and the weapons, some depth of field involved, a little bit of volume with color involved, and how I like to focus on things and use the interface to like help rotate camera pivots around and all that kind of stuff. I put a bunch of the character renders on my Instagram and it blew up a little bit. Let's take a look. That's here. So at the moment we got like nearly 3,000 likes, and it's kind of funny looking at it. There's all these decal errors in there, but people don't care. It just looks cool. I put a viewport image in there as well in case anyone thought it would be like AI or something. I thought this was funny because it's kind of like, the first time I finally let myself use other people's assets again, it blows up. So the obvious thought there is, we'll do it more often. But like I said in that previous video, I always try and avoid other people's assets as much as I can, just to keep myself like honed. But I suppose it's not really a good way of looking at it all the time, because there are other things you can learn by using other people's assets. So anyway, people started sharing those renders on their Instagram stories. So I was getting a lot of notifications coming through for that, until one of them I thought, who's that? I clicked through to the profile and it was Erica Lindberg. So I had a quick look at the profile and I thought, oh, that's cool. And then did a bit of a double take because I was like, wait, I recognize that face. Where do I know her from? And then this is where the fanboy moment started like slowly kicking in. Erica is the voice for Vandal, who was previously known as Glitch before the name rechange, from Marathon. She is also the voice of a female Helldiver, well, the female voice set for Helldivers. They've always got their like helmets on. So there's this funny connection. Okay, well, she's the voice of the character I'm playing the game with Azzy with. She's the voice of the game I'm playing with Hilly with. And then it turns out I just finished a Cyberpunk playthrough. She's the voice of Misty from Cyberpunk. I remember playing through that, and before, I won't really spoil things too much, but before like a large end mission segment, there's an opportunity for a final tarot reading with the character Misty, and it's kind of just like this nice, really peaceful thing. And I remember thinking, yeah, this is a good vibe. This is well acted between the characters before the final hoorah. So I just fall back to them. It's like, oh my god, that was Erica. We got Elora from Arcane. We got Black Cat from Spider-Man. We got Luna from Hell of a Boss. And I do like that series as well. So it all started piecing together. I was like, oh my god, it's her. She has done so much stuff. Smiling Friends, My Hero Academia, Fortnite, Call of Duty, The Outer Worlds, Sonic Racing, Get Hell of a Boss, Demon Slayer, Dune Awakening, Devil May Cry, Xenoblade Chronicles, Avowed, Critical Role. We mentioned Arcane, Sonic X Shadow, The Elder Scrolls Online, Final Fantasy VII. We mentioned Helldivers 2, Persona 3, Rick and Morty. We mentioned Cyberpunk, Redfall, etc., etc., etc. God of War Ragnarok, Captain Marvel and Marvel's Midnight Suns, Curious fucking George. So yeah, like I said, I don't really get like many fanboy moments, but I thought, you know what, this was a cool one. So having such a nice kind of experience playing with assets from other companies, other people again, it is making me think, you know what, maybe I should participate more in fan communities, fan art communities, rather than staying so like reclusive and like creatively isolated by choice. So it's given me stuff to think about. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the little bit of positivity. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.